Hey there, it's Ron with Insurance for Texans, and I've got today's home insurance tip. And I'm going to tell you a story before we get to the tip. I was working with a young lady who was purchasing her first home this week. And as we were going back and forth trying to discover, characteristics of the home, making sure that we were on the same page about what does and does not matter with respect to a home insurance policy, she was a little hesitant. She was not forthcoming with a lot of information. And I was trying to establish that I'm going to look out for your best interest. And finally she paused, and I could just hear the silence on the phone, and it was deafening. And she said, "I have to ask, how much is this going to cost me?" And I was taken aback by that question. I said, the premium for the policy. And she said, "No, how much is our conversation going to cost me today?" You see, she had been working with an independent insurance agent that was charging her fees to basically speak to her. If you are working with an insurance agent that is charging you a fee to be their customer, let's talk about what that looks like. Number one, in the state of Texas, it is legal for an insurance agent to charge you a fee for the use of their time. It's completely legal. There is a few rules on it. They must disclose it to you, and it must be in writing, and you must sign off on it. But beyond that, there's no limit to what that fee may be. So let's go back to our story. This young lady relayed to me that the agent that she had been working with at that point in time, back in the winter, she had tried to buy a different house. And when she called in, they were going to change from a renter's policy to a homeowner's policy. She charged her $300 for that change. Ultimately, the purchase of the home didn't go through to various factors, and they had to change it back to a renter's policy. The agent charged another $300 fee. So this young lady paid $600 and didn't get to buy a house or get a home insurance policy. That, my fellow Texans, is complete crap. That agent should be punched in the face. Do not pay an insurance agent a fee to have the right to provide you a home and auto insurance policy. They are trying to rob you. At Insurance for Texans, we do not charge fees because it's not the best way or the Texan way to do business. I'm Ron. I'm with Insurance for Texans. We don't charge your family a fee just for the right to put a policy in place for you. If that's your experience, let us help and save you money. And that's today's home insurance tip.